Is that your cup? You learning to be a big girl and drink out of a cup? Yeah, that's your cup. Yeah. You gonna suck on it or are you just gonna chew it? I'm just gonna chew it.
What are you doing, goofball? Try some water? Can you try some water? No. Got a drink out of it. Good drink out of it? Can we get some water? Can we get some water out of there? What are you doing, beautiful? Huh? Gonna talk to it? What are you doing with some water? Can we try some water? Is there anything coming out of there? Anything coming out? What are you doing, gorgeous, huh? Really? Mm-hmm.
What you got? Is that your cup? Is that your cup? Yeah, that's your cup. That's right. Does that feel good on your teeth that are coming in? Huh? And you had delicious. Delish, delish, delish.
Was that a dada?
Dada?
I think that was a dada. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Dada?
That was a dada. I'll take it. Look at you sitting up like a big girl.
Oh, that's the wrong way, silly goose. That's not how we hold our cup. You gotta switch hands. There you go.
There you go. Yeah, see, that's the side. There you go. Can we try and drink it? Can we get some water? Can we get some water? No, you don't want any more. Okay.